Ever pondered on the strength of your business in the vast internet market? If so, you're in the right place. My name is MIRMD Raihan, a proficient digital marketing expert with over 4 years of experience, and I'm here to help you navigate the digital landscape. The services I offer are diverse and cater to various aspects of digital marketing. Let's delve into each one of them. Firstly, social media management. It's not just about posting updates on your social platforms. It requires strategic planning, thoughtful content creation, and constant engagement with your audience. Next, search engine optimization. This is the process of improving your website so that it attracts more visitors from search engines. It's about making your site better for people and search engine algorithms. Then, there's the art of advertising on Facebook, Google, and YouTube. These platforms offer unique ways to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your website or online store. Content is king, they say, and rightly so. SEO content writing is about creating content that not only engages your audience but also ranks well on search engine results pages. A well-designed WordPress website and compelling graphic designs can significantly improve your online presence. A good logo design can set your brand apart from the competition. Email marketing, when done right, can drive significant ROI. It's about sending the right message to the right person at the right time. Video marketing is the new frontier in digital advertising. It's a powerful way to communicate your brand story, explain your value proposition, and build relationships with your customers and prospects. Keyword research and backlink creation are crucial aspects of SEO. They can significantly improve your website's visibility on search engines. Lastly, YouTube channel optimization, SEO, and video promotion. These services can help your videos reach a larger audience and increase your channel's visibility. Why choose me? I offer super fast delivery, organic work, detailed reports, and a satisfaction guarantee. I prioritize quick responses, data security, and most importantly, your satisfaction. If you're ready to take your business to new heights in the digital world, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, ensuring the satisfaction of my clients is my top priority. So are you ready to run the best business in this digital world? If so, don't wait any longer. Message me or place an order right